Never put these 8 foods in the fridge. Save this video. You'll want to remember these. Keeping certain foods in the fridge can actually make them spoil faster. Here are 8 foods you should never refrigerate. 1. Ginger. The cold, humid environment promotes mold and bacterial growth in the roots. 2. Garlic. Refrigeration causes sprouting and softens its texture. 3. Onions. Moisture in the fridge breaks them down and speeds up spoilage. 4. Honey. Cold temps cause it to crystallize. No need to refrigerate, it's naturally preserved. 5. Potatoes. They become soft and sprout easily when chilled. 6. Cucumbers. The cold makes them mushy and ruins their crisp texture. 7. Bell peppers. Lose their crunch and degrade faster in cold temperatures. 8. Tomatoes. Bonus. Cold storage dulls their flavor and affects ripening. Store smart, waste less, and keep your produce at its best. Like, share, and subscribe for more food tips and kitchen hacks.